It's out of our range.
Not if you're subscribed.
This is my apprentice, Darth Maul. He will find your lost.
This is getting out of hand.
Ourselves to the Jedi.
Personal time revenge. Hey yo, it's me, Darth Maul. Remember to subscribe. Hey, forget about it. It's me, Darth Maul. Hey, old man, it's me, Darth Maul. Should I go kill some kids in the desert?
So remember that you can download this trail route in the description. It's a KML file. We use an app on Android called Geo Tracker, like two words, like GEO Tracker. It's free and it will show you these trails.
It's like a GPS tracker?
Yeah, it's like a GPS tracker. Yeah, it will show you these trails exactly. I put all of them in the descriptions for these videos, so just keep that in mind.
Oh no! It's okay, I already made fun of how you get distracted by the good
I'm holding
footage.
2 cameras. This one and the one that I'm recording with.
You mean the one that you get distracted with?
Yeah, okay.
Hold on.
Hello viewers. See what's behind her? This is called the
Can't
Cutoff
look right
Trail.
up. So we came over to the Cutoff Trail. We finished up Billings Canyon. It's how close to the Cutoff Trail?
Maybe
20 yards?
no,
A little farther than that? Am I underestimating it a little?
quarter mile maybe.
We know. We already went over how good I am with distances and directions. But this is the Cutoff Trail. I don't even know if you can call it a trail, if I'm honest, because this is it. It's just a big bouldery hill. And some of these boulders look like cement. I don't really know what to think about that.
I think it's just the kind they are.
Yeah,
But
maybe
yeah,
underwater
this is
for a
the
while.
trail. As soon as you leave Billings, you go up the road and then you come down that one that says like Cedar Point or whatever.
Yes, Cedar Point takes you to the beginning of the Cutoff Trail, which is just the bottom of this hill right here, and you drive up it and then you're out on a dirt road again, right in your Third Flats parking area. So it's kind of an extra little one-off from Billings. Almost always the buggies do it. Almost never the regular Jeeps do it. So let's see who comes. I think only a couple of them are coming up.
Hopefully you get to see some carnage. Okay, bye viewers. Remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and
Some
subscribe.
thumbnail faces. Hello, hello. So today we're at the Cutoff Trail in Grand Junction, Colorado.
This is Rob.
Yeah, Rob here. He has a pretty sweet TJ on like 42s.
I think it's 42s.
Yeah.
We kind of go back and forth on that.
We're recording these people because this is a yearly event called Wheelin' with Friends.
I think so.
And if you haven't seen our other video from Billings, go watch the other one. But anyway, this is another.
This is kind of like the second half of that.
Yeah,
I think I already talked about that.
The trail, for the people who go driving on the trail, it is the second half of their day because they did this in a row.
And this is the tough half.
Yeah. Cutoff Trail is serious. I've done Billings in my Jeep TJ Rubicon on 35, so you can watch that video.
But we would not do this.
No, I don't think I would. I probably could with winching and maybe like braking.
Don't get any ideas. Don't get any ideas. But these are serious rigs, and you can see how tall these ledges are.
Yeah, this is another one on 42s, I think.
Yeah,
Both
look at that
we've
ravine
seen.
in between them.
Yeah, that's massive. Those.
I think there is this the obstacle that there's somewhere to go on the right, or is that the next one?
Kind of. You could go right here. This is the same obstacle we're looking at. You could go where his tires are in the between, but then you hit the next obstacle weird.
So not really bypasses, just like different line options.
Yeah. Someone's yelling outside. So the driver of this vehicle is a 16-year-old named Ethan. He's a pretty good driver. I think those are 40-inch tires, but it's just a stretch YJ.
The stretch definitely helps on this.
Yeah, a lot of wheelbase, but it's, again, he's a good driver.
Makes it look a lot easier than it is, that's for sure.
Yeah, Pete is the driver of the TJ that we're looking at right now, and he his rig is also really cool. I mean, the fact that it's just a TJ, but with massive tires, I really like that because that's kind of where ours will go.
Oh yeah, I love that it almost looks like a TJ buggy.
Yeah, I like his both sides.
Yeah, I do love that. Oh, I want to do it, but it's cutting into the body.
I know, that's a lot of cutting.
A little too much. But I do like all the little special things that he's got on there. Like his, what are they? Angled long arms on the back.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the control arms that have a bend in them to increase clearance. We've seen him use it again in our billing video. It made a big difference for him.
Well, and even right here, I mean, he would be rubbing on those rocks on the left, on the driver's side.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and we can elaborate a little on what Wheeling for Friends was. I mentioned that that's why we're here. It's a Facebook event put on by a family where it's like 3 days of wheeling, local trails. I think it's invite only, as in you just have to go to the Facebook thing called Wheeling for Friends, and you'd have to be in Grand Junction, Colorado during the event, which I think was like October, or wasn't it October?
I think so, but it kind of all blends together.
Sorry that we take so long to get these videos out. It's a ton of work. And I edit videos for my full-time job, and so these get pushed back over and over and over. But we're trying. We have a lot more. And we did get to go to SEMA in Las Vegas a couple of weeks ago, so we'll do a video for that.
We'll post a fun video of that. That was pretty fun. Oh, this right here. I love seeing that tire fold. Are those beadlocks? Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Well, the sun decided to come out, which is not bad timing because we've got one more rig to come up the Cutoff trail, and that's it. It really is just this uphill. Let's see this last buggy go.
So if you're watching this video to scope out the trail to run it in your own rig, I would recommend at least 40-inch tires, although I have seen 37-inch tires do it. In our other Billings video we have that's at the end of it,
You gotta get a little crazy though.
Yeah, he rolled. It's the one with the Toyota buggy on the front, on the thumbnail.
We'll link it in here.
Yeah, it's 40s make it doable, 37s, that's pushing the limit. You better have a really built rig if you're coming around 37s. I would not bring my TJ.
Yeah, you better have some other things that are gonna help you.
Yeah, or someone else with big tires that can pull you.
Yeah, probably that.
Because some of those, I don't think that you can really bypass.
Yeah, I would probably call this a 40-inch tire.
But yeah, we're seeing some of the easier lines. This is it. This is the easy line.
Yeah, it's just kind of a wide trail, and you can take the right side or the left side, or maybe in the middle. But there isn't like a bypass, there isn't a go around because it'd be the whole trail. Yeah. You can walk it in 10 steps.
Oh, I think the smallest tire here today is 40-inch.
I think so. I think the guy that was on smaller tires from Billings did not. So.
Yeah, no, the green YJ, you're right.
We made it. Everyone that tried made it through. No one had to get pulled. No one broke. Pretty good day overall on Billings and on the Cutoff Trail. I don't remember the last time we came that someone didn't have to get pulled or no one broke. So,
yeah, a lot of good drivers.
Yeah, a lot of good drivers today. A pretty fun day. A lot of good rigs. Next up is Hard Knocks. Who's gonna take us?
Hey, yo, it's me, Darth Maul. Remember to subscribe.
A lot of work to do.
Okay, then help your head out.
I'm Star Wars. Star Wars I am. Wait, that's
I'm looking
Yoda.
for a Jedi Master.
Can't say anything. I'm not. Lightsaber. Nice little head for. This.
That looks very Darth Maul, please.
This, the finger.
Mm-hmm. Very challenging.
Scarf is hot. I mean, my cloak. Let me take this off the camera.
Oh, here.
I'm Darth Maul! Oh, is this gonna hurt? I'm so sweaty. I smell very violently. Do you see that?
Yes, of course.
Oh, I'm Darth Maul! I'm Gene Simmons! Oh. You know, from Kiss.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I'm so sweaty that just fell off. I can't reuse this, it's all sweaty. Oh, that's disgusting. I'll put a nice like beach background so people won't be as grossed out. Just in the Bahamas.
Mm-hmm.
These eyebrows. What am I, Jeremy Clarkson with these eyebrows got them going on? We're at the beach right now. I always do this stuff at the beach. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that hurts my eyebrows. Oh. Oh. Worth it though, for the bit, you know? Sometimes. Gotta do it. You gotta risk it for the biscuit at Popeyes. These biscuits are good.
I want a Popeyes biscuit.
Goodbye, viewers.